ready for interesting series.
From alphabets A to Z.
A for I.
You may not have heard of me. Don't be surprised by my name. I do exist. I am only found in Madagascar, a small island near Africa. My superpower is echolocation. I am only primate to have this power. I tap my finger on the tree bark to feel vibration of insect larvae. I eat insect larvae. I like fruits but prefer coconut. I sleep during the day, curled up into shape of ball and get up during the night. I am protected by the law as I am endangered as per IUCN list. I live on rainforest trees. Next episode will surprise you with alphabet B of A to Z series.
ਜੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਚੈਨਲ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਦਬ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ।